Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet, a convenient stay in Le Pontet located in the charming town of Le Pontet, France. Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet is a one-star hotel that offers a convenient and comfortable stay for travelers. With its strategic location and excellent amenities, this hotel is the perfect choice for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet starts from 2 p.m., allowing guests to settle in and relax after a long journey. The friendly and efficient staff will ensure a smooth check-in process, making you feel welcomed from the moment you arrive. The checkout time is until 12 p.m., giving you ample time to pack up and prepare for your onward journey. With 72 well-appointed rooms, Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet offers a variety of accommodations to suit every traveler's needs. Each room is designed with comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities such as air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and a flat-screen TV. Whether you're traveling alone or with a companion, you'll find the perfect room to unwind and recharge. Unwind and indulge in Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet's entertainment facilities. Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet is not just a place to rest your head, it is a haven of entertainment and relaxation. With a range of facilities designed to cater to all your entertainment needs, this hotel promises to keep you engaged and entertained throughout your stay. Step into the hotel's spacious and well-equipped shops, where you can browse through a variety of products and souvenirs. Whether you are looking for a last-minute gift or simply want to indulge in some retail therapy, the shops at Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet have got you covered. If you prefer to enjoy the outdoors, the hotel's beautiful garden offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Take a leisurely stroll amidst the lush greenery, breathe in the fresh air, and let the soothing ambience wash over you. The garden is the perfect place to unwind, read a book, or simply soak up the sun. With its enticing entertainment facilities, Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet ensures that you have a memorable and enjoyable stay. Whether you are in the mood for some shopping or crave a peaceful retreat in nature, this hotel has something for everyone. Unwind and have fun at our bowling alley. Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet is not just a place to stay, but a destination for sports enthusiasts. Our hotel boasts a state-of-the-art bowling alley that promises endless hours of fun and excitement. Whether you are a seasoned bowler or a beginner, our well-maintained lanes and top-notch equipment will ensure a memorable experience for everyone. Challenge your friends or family to a friendly competition, or simply enjoy a leisurely game to unwind after a long day of exploring Le Pontet. With its vibrant atmosphere and modern facilities, our bowling alley is the perfect place to create lasting memories and strike up some friendly competition. Convenient facilities at Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet. Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet offers a range of convenient facilities to enhance your stay. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, this hotel ensures that your needs are well taken care of. Start your day right with the hotel's daily housekeeping service, ensuring that your room is always clean and tidy. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms, allowing you to easily browse the web or catch up on work. Need to stay productive during your stay? Take advantage of the Wi-Fi in public areas, providing you with internet access throughout the hotel. For those who enjoy the convenience of having meals in the comfort of their room, Premiere Classe Avignon Nord, Le Pontet offers room service. Indulge in delicious dishes without leaving the comfort of your room. Additionally, if you are a smoker, the hotel provides a designated smoking area where you can enjoy your cigarette without any inconvenience. Craving a snack or a refreshing beverage?